Auto sales require careful managing of expectations because supply issues for cars, trucks, and SUVs continues to plague the industry. But there are the models that have managed to reach the most buyers in 2022. For today's video, we will be talking about the 10 best-selling cars in 2022. Interested to know what these cars are? Just keep on watching. Ford F-Series. The F-Series lineup maintained its lead in the sales standings despite a 17% dip. Additionally, Ford has begun marketing the Lightning, an electric variant of the F-150. The Ford F-150 is most likely the pickup truck that comes to mind when you think of it. With an aluminum body, turbocharged engine, a hybrid drivetrain, and an all-electric variant reviewed separately, and all of Ford's cutting-edge technology. The enduring bestseller has adopted for the modern era. For 2023, Ford has expanded the F-150 inventory to include the off-road Focus Rattler variant. The Rattler is based on the XL FX4, but it also has unusual 18-inch wheels, a dual exhaust system, hill descent control, a locking rear differential, and an off-road suspension system, as well as logos all over the place that are inspired by rattlesnakes. Toyota Camry. 135,925 units sold. Despite the fact that SUVs now predominate this list, the Toyota Camry continues to be the most popular car that is neither an SUV or a pickup truck. The Camry lost 24% of its market share, but still outperformed several SUVs and far outperformed the Corolla, the second best passenger car. The midsize sedan market, which has been losing both new entrants and sales as the globe has adopted SUVs, is anchored by the Camry. Although the market has evolved, the Camry has maintained its position as the best-selling passenger car, a position it has held for the past 20 years. At the top of the sales list, it has a well-deserved reputation for dependability and provides a hybridized model with excellent fuel efficiency. The rest of the Camry lineup gets more driver assistance technology, including automatic high beams and a forward-facing camera that can read certain road signs and show them on the digital display. Toyota RAV4. 200,885 units sold. In recent years, the RAV4 has solidified its position as the best-selling non-pickup, and that trend appears to be set to continue in 2022. Despite a 9% decline in sales, it still outsells the next highest-selling model on this list by a significant margin. Although the 2022 Toyota RAV4 isn't the most exciting compact SUV to drive, its usefulness and efficiency increase its value and qualify it for an Editor's Choice Award. Although the entry-level model is reasonably priced but quite basic, mid-range trims offers a wealth of features that customers in the market will value. Front-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine are all standard. All-wheel drive is available, but you won't see even the most rugged model in the RAV4 lineup, sailing up to a 4Runner or a Tacoma at the trailhead. Toyota bundles a host of standard driver assistant features into the RAV4, including adaptive cruise control. Ram Pickup. 244,983 units sold. Ram's pickup line, which includes both light and heavy-duty models, decreased by 22% from the previous year. Although the Chevy just recaptured the lead, it and the Silverado have been competing for the silver medal in the sales race because it is much nicer. The 2022 Ram 1500 is more talented than the majority of half-ton trucks. The Ram 1500's interior features enormous passenger capacity and key storage that is incredibly functional. The Ram seems more like a luxury car than a pickup truck and higher trim levels thanks to the addition of expensive materials and creature comforts. Chevy Silverado, 259,516 units sold. The light-duty Silverado 1500 gets an update for 2022, and it needed to gain back some sales momentum to pass the Ram for second place. These numbers also include sales of the heavy-duty model. Brand loyalty is big when it comes to full-size truck, and the 2022 Chevy Silverado gives loyalists things to get excited about. The Ram 1500 boasts the finest ride quality and the nicest inside in the class, while the Ford F-150 recently had a facelift and now provides the segment's only hybrid variant. However, the 2022 Silverado responds with a stylish interior and a novel self-driving capability that works with a trailer. The Chevy offers a robust lineup of engine choices, ranging from the powerful Turbo 4 to the torque 6-cylinder diesel to the robust 6.2-liter V8. It has a towing capacity of up to 13,300 pounds, and a variety of high-tech tailoring aids are available. The 2022 Silverado drives to keep up with its half-ton competitors despite having a rough ride and several other refinement concerns. It handles admirably for a truck. Honda Civic, 70,335 units sold. For 2022 model year, Honda's well-liked Civic compact car received a major facelift that includes a more mature exterior, additional amenities, and an improved interior layout. The 2022 Civic features a more streamlined interior with smoother lines and a dashboard with a full-width honeycomb partnered mesh design, element that deftly conceals the air vents. The center console is broader than the previous models and appears less crowded. It has what appears to be a large, deep bin in front of the shift lever for storing smartphones, keys, and road trip foods. According to Honda, its cargo compartment is larger and its passenger room is about the same. Ford Escape, 73,920 units sold. The 2022 Escape can continue to benefit users who prefer on-road driving because to its off-road capability and car-like ride and handling. The cabin of the Escape is attractively designed and roomy for both front and rear passengers, although it has a number of low-quality plastic panels, such as those on doors and lower center console. Standard seat upholstery is a highly textured fabric, while higher trim levels can choose between convincing fox leather or genuine leather in the titanium model. Up to 8 carry-ons luggage can fit in the spacious cargo box located behind the Escape's back seat, which is equal to that of its crosstown competition, the Chevrolet Equinox. With the Escape's back seats folded down, it could store 21 cases, while the Equinox could hold 2 more. Subaru Outback, 77,341 units sold. Even though the Outback can travel farther off-road than a conventional station wagon, you won't see it conquering terrain in Moab alongside Ford Broncos or Jeep Wranglers. Both the Outback and the Legacy have luxurious interiors that are mostly shared by both vehicles. The inside of the Subaru is utilitarian and has a high sitting height, despite its borderline doll style. Aside from the base level, every Outback features several USB ports, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. While it can venture further off-road than a traditional station wagon, you won't see the Outback tackling trails in Moab next to Jeep Wranglers or Ford Broncos. The Outback shares much of its interior with the Legacy, and both have comfortable accommodations and quality materials. While Subaru's cabin design borders on boring, it's functional and has a high sitting height. Aside from the base model, every Outback has dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and capacious USB ports. Nissan Altima, 78,610 units sold. The Altima midsize car has once more outsold the Sentra small sedan, with sales rising 27% over the first 2 quarters. The Sentra's sales fell by 43%. The 2023 Nissan Altima is a handsome family sedan with a roomy interior and optional all-wheel drive that serves its purpose admirably. The Altima offers two separate four-cylinder engines for its power, a base engine with 182 horsepower and a turbocharged variable compression engine with 248 horsepower. The Altima's cabin features an easy-to-use switch gear layout and a basic dashboard. Although interior materials differ between trim levels, everything is an enormous advance over the previous Altima model. Our SB test vehicle has stylish fittings and unremarkable harsh plastics. Honda Accord, 80,422 units sold. We always enjoy the Accord, even though sales decreased 30% from the previous year. Would still pick it over the well-liked Toyota Camry, even though it's no longer competing with it for the title of best-selling non-SUV in the nation. The Honda Accord is a favorite of the car and driver staff, consistently taking home the 10 Best and Editor's Choice Awards because to its roomy cabin, considerate driving dynamics, and superb build quality. So which car do you consider the best for 2022? And what cars will you add to your wish list? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to MIA Luxury Cars for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.